This is the natural rubber used to make rubber bands. In order for rubbers to have good plasticity, they must first be activated. Workers add an appropriate amount of rubber processing fluid, tinted powdered pigments, and 7 pieces of natural rubber to the kneader. A propeller inside the machine kneads the rubber, and the increasing temperature turns the mixture into a dough like this. Then put them in the rolling machine. As the machine rolls, the rubber is pressed into thin sheets and workers cut them to the same size, and then add the right amount of sulfur and other chemicals to it, which can make the rubber more elastic. The machine keeps rolling over the rubber until it becomes this thin. The rubber rolls are then placed in the rolling machine, and workers will roll them into this shape for easy access to the extruder that follows. The rubber at the moment is still warm and has very good ductility. The extruder presses the rubber into a hollow tube while infusing air and talc to keep them from sticking together. After that, the rubber tube is preliminarily formed after cooling through the water tank. In order for the rubber band we use to have extreme elasticity and toughness, it needs to be vulcanized. Workers tuck shaped aluminum tubes into rubber tubes, and talc prevents them from sticking to them. They are then put into this industrial-grade steam room, where high temperatures vulcanize the rubber, increasing its tensile strength and elasticity. After the rubber is out of the oven, workers inject air into the gap between the rubber and the aluminum pipe, which makes it easier for the rubber to fall off. But now the rubber tubes are covered in talcum powder inside and out, and workers wash them with water, and hang them up, drying them out for slicing. This machine can cut 5 rubber tubes at a time, and the uniform speed ensures that the rubber bands we buy have the same width and elasticity. After that, these rubber bands can be packaged and sold after manual quality inspection by workers.